And Sonny, I've got you down for Jordan Bader.
Yes, Your Honor. We were supposed to check with the DAs if he was going to be eligible for pretrial diversion.
Let me back up. Are you in contact with Mr. Bader? I assume you are.
Yes, I am. Yeah, matter of fact, he called this morning.
Have you actually put in a formal application yet, or are you waiting to get permission to do that?
No, I was waiting for permission.
All right, state, what's their status on Mr. Bader's permission for BTD application?
We're still reviewing the case. We're trying to contact the complaining witness here, but no decision on whether PTD will be offered yet.
I suggest we just put you on our jury trial docket, which buys you till July 25th, because there's no telling how long it's going to take the state to do. It could be 30 days before the state comes up with a plan. That being said, July 25th is your jury trial date, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
And state, if Mr. Bader does not qualify for pretrial diversion, would you send an offer to Ms. Middleton on the regular case?
Absolutely, Judge, we'll do.
All right,
Thank
thanks.
you, Your Honor. And July 25th will be 9 a.m. live and in person, I take it?
9:30 probably.
9:30. Okay. Thank you, Your
In
Honor.
person.
In person, yes, ma'am.
You'll have this long resolved by then.
Thank you. Y'all have a great day.
Bye. Your Honor, I cannot find. Yes, it is Armando Martinez, Your Honor, who is Mr. Guerrero's.
I see two of y'all that I assume are defendants. I got Mr. David Gonzalez and Mr. Rene Guerrero. Y'all are
Yes.
not required to be here by me. Your attorney may have wanted you here, but your attorney's not here. You're welcome to hang around and see if your attorney shows up, or you're welcome to leave as far as I'm concerned, and you can contact your attorney whenever you feel like it. Mr. Gonzalez, who's your,
Guerrero.
John Ross?
Yeah,
Yes.
John Ross is David.
All right. Well, I don't, normally Mr. Ross shows up, but as far as I'm concerned, you're released. If you want to be released, if you want to hang around and wait, you're welcome to do that also. But I'm not requiring any defendants to show up at this arraignment docket ever. So you're good to go. Okay, sir. So that's up to you. Same thing with Guerrero, if you can hear me.
Thank you,
Señor
Judge.
Guerrero, ¿me oyes? Ok, nosotros no podemos oírlo. Yo no sé por qué. Por favor, puedes hablar con tu abogado. Vamos a darte otra cita. Hablas con él, pero más o menos como el miércoles, ¿ok? ¿Ok? All right. Gracias.
I have a question.
Yes, ma'am.
My court was at 9:30 and I was 30 minutes late because I was having trouble logging in. And they haven't called my name or anything.
Well, we're waiting for your attorney. Who is your attorney, ma'am?
I have no idea. They switched my attorney.
Okay, what is your name?
Yasmin Santana.
Okay, Miss Santana, we'll look for.
Okay, I just because the last time I came to court, they said I wasn't even here, so I'm just trying to make sure that y'all know
Okay.
that I'm here.
Okay, Mr. Grenier's come in, Your Honor, and I'll look for Miss Santana while you're talking about it.
Andy Reiner,
Judge Christian.
are you here at 10:30? Is that what your time frame is?
Yeah, I believe so, but I had to go to County Court 5 earlier.
All right, let me look.
I texted, I believe.
Got you. Cornelius James, sound right?
Yes, Judge, this was a recall from last week. I texted Mr. Virial yesterday, I believe, and there's a waiver on file. It's actually handwritten by the wife with no prompting by myself. She actually texted it to me as soon as I got appointed.
All right, so obviously you're in contact with Mr. James, correct?
Yeah, correct.
You have not received an offer from the state, but they need to be aware that there's a waiver on file, correct?
They should be aware, yes.
All right, let's do this. Let's reset you for a week. State, take a look at the waiver and if appropriate, send an offer on this case to Mr. Griner on Mr. James. And then we'll get that figured out by next Tuesday. That
Will
go,
do, Judge.
everybody? Randy, is that okay with you?
What time next? You said next Tuesday?
Either that or I can just stick you on our jury trial docket, and that's like July
Yeah,
5th.
yeah. Let's fast track it. Let's go ahead and set me for the jury trial then.
So what do you want to do?
I guess I'll come back in a week, Judge.
All right, we'll see you in a week. Thanks.
All right, bye.
Okay. Miss Santana, your attorney's name is Steve Harkowitz, he emailed me. He is in another felony court on a recommitment hearing. He was going to be signing in late.
Okay, so I just stay in here just for now?
Actually, you could go if you want. You could give me your information through chat. I don't want that out in the public. So if you chat me your phone number or an email where he can contact you, what we're probably going to do is reset it and he can tell you what the setting is and what is going on when he comes in. Okay? Because
Okay, awesome. I just wanted y'all to make sure that I was
yeah,
here.
and I've got you checked in.
Okay, awesome. I'll just chat with you and give you my number.
Okay, that would be the best. Thank you.
Thank you.
If one of you DAs wants to bail and go do something else, you're welcome to do that. I don't think we're going to get a whole lot of business in 10 minutes.
All right, Judge. Arthur will cover. And if y'all need me, I'll be here by my computer. Just let me know.
Okay, thanks.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
And we have that hearing at 11:30 for Mr. Del Cueto, or we're not having it now?
That's the plan.
Okay.
Will that be in person?
Be in person.
Okay, we'll be there.
All right, Pat, I'm going to start heading downtown. I'll be on the cell phone if anybody has an issue. Otherwise, I think you can handle it.
Sure.
Arthur's going to hang around till 10, and then we're going to cut Arthur loose.
Yeah, at 11. Yeah. We'll cut everybody off at 11, Your Honor.
Yeah. All right, thanks. Bye.
All righty.
Hi, Patricia.
Yes.
Hi, this is Rosemary Rodriguez, Jordan Rodriguez's mother. We've been on here since 10 o'clock and Robert Meyer is the lawyer.
Right, ma'am. And that's going to be set for trial.
For trial?
Yes, ma'am.
What do you mean? She's going to have to go to trial in front of a whole 12 jurors?
No, we only have 6 jurors. What it is, ma'am, is it allows the attorneys time to get with the ADAs from the district attorney and negotiate an offer and see whether it can be resolved prior to the jury trial. Judge does it so that way the attorneys do not have to continue to come back and nothing is resolved. So it is a way of just giving them time to do what they need to do. We've got 2 ADAs and we've got over close to 1,500 cases that they are responsible for. And so this is how the judge does this. It just gives them time so that they can resolve it and get with the prosecutors, and the prosecutors have time to negotiate. That's all.
The only issue I have with that is that we're never able to get in contact with the pretrial lawyer or officer. We've had trouble with that since day one. Now, what happened was she's only 18. Well, she just turned 19 2 days ago, just a couple of days ago, and she got a DWI. So what had happened when they gave her machine, we had trouble because this is her first crime or offense, whatever she's ever done. And I have never been involved in anything like this either. So when they gave her the machine, we didn't know where to go. They kept changing the pretrial officer, so on and so forth. We didn't know where to go. And when we finally got the machine, it was during COVID. So she was sick and she was taking cold medicine and cough medicine and allergy medicine. And we didn't know that. I didn't know that it affected the machine. So they put a warrant out for her arrest. So then I had to take her back to the satellite office, and they did another bond. So what happened was a couple of weeks ago, the bail bondsman said, you know, she has a warrant out for her arrest. I like, a warrant? We've been paying, you know, the lawyer, she's been reporting. I don't know if I should be me telling you this or the lawyer, if he's gonna get mad at me
Well,
for
you
saying
need
this.
to tell the attorney. You've hired the attorney. The attorney can explain that to the judge and talk to the judge about it.
The only thing is that she goes to school and she's gonna start working. I'm just afraid that they're gonna
Again.
pick her up.
Well, again, you need to talk to your attorney. He can talk to the judge, and it will be up to the judge what he wants to do. But there's nothing you can do and nothing I can do. You've hired an attorney, that you have to work through your attorney.
He said he was gonna be there today and, you know.
He's
I
in
guess-
trial now in another court. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so he'll contact me and there's gonna be a jury, you said?
Well, I don't know what's going to happen. We're going to reset it for July 25th for trial. That's, 3 months away. So anything can happen between now and then. And that's something you need to talk to your attorney.
Yeah. It's just, she's my only daughter and it just concerns me, all this going on and,
I understand.
oh,
But the other thing that I need to let you know is
Mhm.
your daughter needs to do a lot of this. She's
Yeah.
an adult and she's considered an adult.
Yeah, she's right here with me.